Welcome back to EANM TV. I've been joined by Margarita Kirienko, who's going to be talking to me about AI. And the reason that Margarita is going to be doing that is that she's the leader of the current AI piloting group and is a nuclear medicine physician. Welcome to EANM TV.
Thank you.
AI and nuclear medicine seems to be a perfect marriage. But how can AI benefit nuclear medicine?
So AI gives advantages in a wide variety of disciplines, and nuclear medicine is not an exception. And both patients can benefit from AI. For example, we can reduce radiation exposure because AI tools can improve image quality even if lower activity of radiopharmaceuticals get administered. On the other hand, AI can also contribute and support nuclear medicine physicians in interpreting images and evaluating findings on images in oncology, in cardiology, and also neurology.
Whenever you hear about AI, for the layman, they'll think ChatGPT, and there's always that thing at the bottom that says, you know, ChatGPT can make mistakes and stuff. So is the key element here how to use AI in a way that's trustworthy?
First of all, to make the use of AI trustworthy, both algorithms and humans have to be aligned, because humans have to be educated on the advantages and also on the limitations of AI tools. And then also the algorithms need to be trained and need to be validated and tested in their from the development until their implementation in the clinical practice. So it's both.
All right. There are so many AI initiatives in so many different disciplines. How are you going to try and bring together all of these initiatives into effectively one platform, if I would call it that?
This AI committee will be in charge of a wide variety of activities within EANM, and it will collaborate strictly with all the committees, the councils, the EANM board, and we also plan to establish collaboration with the external societies which are focused on data science, and we plan also to involve all the community members who will be happy to contribute.
How happy are other societies outside nuclear medicine to collaborate? Is it something you're trying to or having to force on people, or is there an appetite to be involved?
I think that the moment that there is a clinical need and we can make a difference, collaborations will follow.
All right, what about innovation? I mean, it is innovative in its own way, but how do you think it's going to stimulate innovation in ways that will benefit clinicians, researchers, and ultimately patients?
So it will promote quicker workflows. It will support interactions. It will fasten and the processes, and then it can also stimulate research, because these tools can also help us in generating new ideas, developing new radiopharmaceuticals, and also in writing down the papers.
All right. So ultimately, you're looking to create a way of being able to standardize best practice across nuclear medicine and AI. What are your priorities going to be, or is it too early to say?
One of the main challenges in AI development is the creation of interoperable infrastructures and standardized data collection. So we will develop interaction with other stakeholders in order to harmonize the processes, data, and to develop trustworthy AI tools.
Now that's all work that you're doing internally, with, if you like. How will you work with the regulators? Because the regulators want to safeguard everybody, but I'm hearing that regulators can sometimes be so incredibly careful, too careful, and stifling innovation. What can you do to help regulators be far more open-minded about what you're trying to achieve?
So we will strictly collaborate with the PRAC, which is in charge of the policy activities within EANM. So our goal is to support, advise, and interact at the European level to promote trustworthy AI together.
Okay, how excited are you about being involved in something like this? I mean, for years, nuclear medicine has been at the leading edge of medicine, and now, you're leading a group that's at the leading edge of a leading edge, if that makes sense.
Yes, it's very a great challenge, and I'm really excited, but I'm a little bit scared as well. I hope that the whole group, the whole AI committee will support and will actively collaborate in all the activities in promoting education to make AI skills become for everyone.
How would you like people to get involved?
I would like people asking for what they need, for example, from the educational point of view, in order to tailor our educational initiatives in a way that people really can benefit from our courses or webinars and so on. And also to better understand what are their priorities, and also to understand which challenges do they face in implementation of AI tools in order to push the regulators in the right direction. For example, there might be centers where the infrastructure does not allow the implementations of some tools, and we have to get the whole picture of what of the nuclear medicine departments can face, which challenges they might face in order to be able to help them.
So this is the interesting thing, isn't it? Where with nuclear medicine being as advanced as it is in some countries, for example, it's challenging enough to just deal with today or yesterday's nuclear medicine. I mean, we are talking now the next 3 to 5 years for nuclear medicine. So exciting, but at the same time challenging. What is your focus going to be, though, in the short term once this committee gets going?
We have to make our community be able to develop AI tools and be able to get the best from them. So education is the first focus, and then I think that we have to establish robust collaborations with other societies, data scientists who might support us.
Okay, it's been great to talk to you. And just in case you haven't seen it, you're part of a program that I've fronted called Inspire with EANM. Can you briefly tell me what your contribution is to that? Because I saw it the other day and it looks great.
Yes, Inspire is an initiative where I had the privilege to participate, and it's a little look into what nuclear medicine can offer, and
all the different facets.
Yeah. It's not just technology, it's chemistry, it's radiopharmaceuticals, it's oncology, neurology, cardiology, so it's a playground.
A great program. Check it out, find all of the different monitors. It really is very, very interesting. Margarita, thank you once again for joining us.
Thank you.
Have a great evening this evening, everyone, and have a really great Congress tomorrow. That's all from us for today.